Okay, Tuesday, September 20th. It's about an hour and 15 minutes into trading. Just wanted to follow up on the SPY again. I can't say even though the bias is down, I can't say I'm too thrilled with the follow through. So far, you've had about 3 bars here trying to break lower past this first bar. It really can't do it. And now you're sitting here, getting ready to form a potential hammer bar. So at this point, it's kind of a moment of truth the way I see it. Either this bar kind of immediately kind of holds down here and then we continue lower, or I would almost, essentially if you're looking at it purely, if you got in here on the short side on the first bar, you're almost break even now, and you can just anything that moves up or forms a hammer, I would just exit and kind of have to wait for some kind of I don't really want to go long or anything, and I'm still biased to the downside as long as the midpoint of that first bar holds. But just the price action not following through is the type of thing. If I look at the daily chart, we're just inside on this prior day, so that's not necessarily a strong push to take out the low of the day at this point. It's a tricky day. In other words, there was definitely a down bias to start, but we're not getting the follow through here, so I could just see it as a break-even type of thing and just wait for another, again, it would be like holding this area and then having a big rollover to test this intraday low might be the start of the down move. Quite frankly, if we just break above this first bar high and we're into that pre-market range, then the bias on the day kind of turns up and you're going to maybe get the low of the day here in the first 4 or 5 bars, but we're not quite there yet. If that happens, I would have to just see if we take that out and then hold and then start up again towards, if somehow the whole day turns strong with the Federal Reserve coming out tomorrow with interest rates. I don't really expect a big rally. So definitely a tricky day is what I'm pointing out, but I don't think you can get hurt too bad, and I'm still sticking with the downside bias here, just wanting to see a little bit more follow through the downside. But I could also just see breaking even and just, kind of watching a little bit and seeing how this structure plays out for the next move. So let's just see what happens.